to me, right? So if someone sends me, and I get 5 pitches on LinkedIn average a day, right? And I'm not even at the A-list game of startup funding, but there are very few people who would send you a small, concise way of what it is that you want. I don't want to know what is it that you want from me, right? Tell me that, and I would love to talk. How can this change my life?
So I think there is a question from Pradyuman Kumar. He's asking that, sir, you mentioned that in this time and age, knowledge is more powerful than marks in exam. How would you describe the transition and the point which had catalytic impact on the overall focus? So this is the question he has asked.
Look, so while I say this, that marks are not important, is not what I mean. Marks are not important.
I think they have taken it literally. I know they really have. They do.
Knowledge is what you take out of it, right? Knowledge is me learning some things that stuck with me in, let's say, my marketing class, that said that, okay, the way to reach out to a consumer is ABC, right? And it is me learning about anything. It is me, for example, even after, like literally last year, I've done a course from Reforge, which is one of the biggest growth metrics taught in Silicon Valley. And they completely change how I have perceived any knowledge till now, right? It is very subjective for you and me what we consume out, right? I could consume the confidence in which a teacher talks, right? For me, that's knowledge. For you, it could be the material that they are writing. I'm not sure if that helps.
Okay, so sir, there is one more question, I think from Pooja Kumari. She's asking how we will know that we are contacting the genuine person, since there are many with the same name. So this is for you.
Yeah, sure. So I'll tell you a story, right? So there's another famous Manu Jain who heads Xiaomi, right? And look, it is for you to reach out to the person, you have to do your homework, and that's what I said, right? If you go on the internet, you will search that the other Manu Jain works in Xiaomi. He looks differently than me, right? You will find out that the same Manu, similar people will have 2 similar Twitter profiles, 2 LinkedIns. Again, this is completely internet homework, digital.
So I think we have one more in the chat box. It's Anant Jain. He's asking, sir, I got you in the first go on LinkedIn.
We have a couple of more questions also, I think. Kanishk has asked a question.
Now, this is why VAS services are not seem to be attractive.
Diksha has asked a question.
So, Kanishk, value-added services today are changing in the country. And maybe, so today I work across 10 countries, across 40 telecom operators globally is where we work with. Every country you have to play with the rule. So in India, for example, the content that we are selling is an astrology service versus something in Middle East where I'm selling a game product, versus something that I'm selling in Africa, which is very specific on mobile insurance. Consumers are consuming what the telecom operators are marketing to them. They want to currently in India, and I'll share a simple stat, right? India data is the cheapest in the world. It is the cheapest in the world. And this is crazy, right? At the current rate. So the telecom operators right now don't want to sell VAS. They want customers to consume their own services. For India, maybe VAS is Netflix or Amazon. How can you get Netflix free on your Airtel number, right? It's not a priority for them to sell. So maybe an astrology service is something that we have now launched with on some products.
Okay, so I think
I didn't expect so many questions.
Yeah.
There's one more. I think someone called Diksha has said that sometimes I feel it's easy to break the ice with people, but then it is difficult to follow up with them and stay in touch.
Yeah, so Diksha, that's a great question. Yeah, I'll tell you. So my thing, right, and I just posted this on LinkedIn, right? So while it is great for you to break the ice, it is how you break the ice, and you will have enough opportunities that platforms will throw at you for you to continue to stay in touch. For example, LinkedIn is going to update you. It's been 1 year that this guy is working here, right? there is a Diwali, there is a Holi, there is some change in that person's life, right? Look, it's in your, how you stay in touch is how relevant you are to the other person. You know, it is what value has the other person derived in that conversation with you, right? You can reach out to me and we can have a great conversation, but after that, if after 3 months you come back to me and say something, I will always refer back to that conversation, right? If I didn't find that conversation insightful, I might not be very open. You know, it is the impression that you will make on that conversation, you know. But there is still enough, like I have literally followed up with someone over 10 months, and literally I have wished them on everything, right? Like, for example, they were in a different country. Sorry, there was something that came on the screen. So yeah, so literally in a different country, anything that's happening on that country, I was messaging them, right? And this guy, finally I figured, was a cricket fan because I kept seeing him. So I said, okay, you know, today India beat England, and this is some years ago, right? And that's how literally we started getting talking. You know, it is the context of conversations that you will keep doing.
Okay, so there is one more. I think it's a very good compliment from Ashish. He's saying, no any question, just one more presentation next Saturday. You are superb in business communication. So it's a very, I think, thank you, Ashish.
That's very humbling. Look, my thing is this, right? All of you, there are enough methods available on the internet today for you to upskill yourself on soft skills. The difference between you on everything that I have said today is it's all about soft skills, right? It's about my life and what has worked for me. There is no set rule. What has worked for me is going to work for all of you, right? You have to go follow your own path. Maybe some of us are better communicators, some of us are better in strategy, you know.
There's one more from Kanishk. He's saying, sir, is there any specific strategy to pitch these types of services? I mean to say that how company filter these types of consumers who need that type of services like Astro.
So the Kanishk, the data that a telecom operator has about you, you'll be surprised and more, right? They know when you pay your bill, they know everything, right? So be it telecom operators, be it the internet guys, right? If you were to go on the internet and you were to search just one thing on Facebook or even on the internet, go to Instagram and see your feeds being retargeting, you know, and that's just the internet. Imagine a telecom operator knows you pay your bill on time. You have opted for a caller tune which says thank you for calling Kanishk Tiwari, so they know your name as well. So there's enough data that they have about you. They have already bucketed customers. You want to take this? I'm happy to take this offline, Kanishk, if you want to talk about this. I will accept all requests, Pooja, after. I'm very open to networking. I usually accept a lot of requests.
Okay, so we are waiting for some more questions. I think we have one more from Ayush. So he's saying, thank you, IMM, and also thank you, Manu sir. It's always good to hear from seniors. I really admire your session.
Thank you.
So do we have any other questions, students? So I think the session is, we don't have any other questions here.